We think poverty-related and neglected diseases merit specific attention. First of all, because they really suffer from market failure and underinvestment in research and innovation, and because they disproportionately affect populations in precarious and vulnerable situations. The world has made a lot of progress in the fight against PRNDs in the past decades, moving towards the Sustainable Development Goals target to eliminate PRNDs by 2030. But unfortunately, there have been a lot of setbacks because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So now we actually have to double our efforts to get back on track, and EDCTP is a great tool to do so. Another reason why we think PRNDs should be specifically addressed is because PRNDs is where the current and the previous partnership have the strongest expertise. Public governance helps ensure accountability, focus on public health needs, and also better alignment with public research and innovation policies. The EU conducted independent impact assessments of EDCTP and also other research and innovation partnerships. And one of the main findings was that public-private partnerships need to be better aligned with EU, national, and regional policies. When it comes to addressing global public health needs, commercial interests are not necessarily always the best guidance for a research and innovation agenda. It is, however, of course, important to partner with industry, but also with other actors like philanthropic foundations, product development partnerships, or WHO, and to really involve them in the partnership. The inclusion of civil society and, most importantly, not-for-profit, non-governmental organizations in research and innovation partnerships is paramount and should actually be required by all publicly funded bodies. It is the job of NGOs to raise the voice of those who might otherwise not be heard, but too often NGOs face structural barriers to participating in research and innovation projects or partnerships. Organizations who work with affected communities have a different view on the challenges faced by patients, not only when it comes to health, but also when it comes to the socioeconomic and cultural realities of people most affected by poverty-related and neglected diseases. To ensure that projects take these realities into account when designing projects or partnerships involving such organizations is really key. And EDCTP has done a great job at this so far. And we are looking forward to seeing this partnership continue its successful work and to contribute to eliminating PRNDs in the future.